I did a video the other day on how to create a design on a transparent background. And I've also done videos in the past on how to take a design and make it transparent. However, I had a member in my Facebook group, Michelle Barraclaw. Thank you so much for saving this step here. She pointed out a different way to do this, and it saves a step, so you can do it all in one without having to do what I did in my previous video. So there are several videos on how to make a transparent background, but I think we now have it perfected completely. So is what you want to do, I am in iPicky.com, and we're going to click on Create a Design. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you want to learn how to make money online and make a passive income online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Okay, so I'm going to go here and click on Create a Design. And I'm going to make my template size about 600 by 600. I'm just going to make a square because in this case I'm just going to use a shape. You can use words, you can use lettering as long as it's black because I'm using digital paper in this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click New, and I'm going to click 600 by 600, and right here you're going to click on Transparent, and we're going to click Create. So here is our transparent template right here. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go down here to Hearts, and I'm going to pick a heart. Okay, we want this to be black, so I'm going to go ahead and click Solid Color, and I'm going to change this to black. And I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, this is the important step right here, and this is what I did not do in my last video. We want to take this and we're going to export this to the editor. At this point, you're going to click right here. It looks almost like a thumbprint, and it says Texture. And you're going to click here to use your own texture. Okay, and it says Upload Texture. So I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to find a texture that I would like to use for this. And I think I'm going to go with this right here. Okay, so right here is what you want to do is on the blend mode, you're going to change this to lighten. So is what that does is it takes the digital paper and it puts it behind the design. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to save this to our desktop. And we're going to apply. Now right here you want to make sure you save it as a PNG. If you save it as a JPEG, it's going to take this transparent background and turn it white. So make sure that you have it saved as a PNG. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. Okay, and then I am going to close this photo because we already have it saved. Now, right here, anytime you need to toggle back and forth between the editor and the designer, you just click right here on the designer. Okay, so right now, to show you that that works, I am going to click here on Create a New Design. I'm going to make this one 700 by 700, just a little bit bigger, and I'm going to sort of pick a color. And we're going to click Create. So here is our colored template right here. So now I am going to use this design that we just created on a transparent background. I tried this out before I did this, so that's why it's here. Normally you could upload the image from your desktop, and we're just going to drag it over here, and you can tell there's no white background behind it, so it's completely transparent. And that's how you do that. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. But if you do have a question, the best way to get those answered is by joining my Facebook group. You can get on Facebook, make sure you're searching under groups, and search under Etsy Passive Income. There is a group similar to mine called Etsy Passive Income Girls. That is not my group. Mine is just Etsy Passive Income. It's a very active group, and there are lots of people there willing to help. You know, because as my channel is growing, it's getting a little bit harder for me to answer everyone's questions one-on-one. So if you get in the group, someone usually will jump on there and answer your question quickly. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you so much for watching.